Hello, welcome to my channel. Craving for cinnamon rolls but have no yeast at home? Don't worry. I made an easy and quick cinnamon rolls without yeast recipe. So easy to do, just follow my simple steps and taste like the branded cinnamon rolls. Ingredients. To make the bread dough, 2 14 cups. All-purpose flour or bread flour. 3 4-cup, 180 g, milk. If you don't want to add milk, you can use plain water instead. 1 4-cup/57 g unsalted butter, softened. 1 egg at room temperature. 2 and 1/4 tablespoon/32 g, sugar. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon baking powder. For the filling, 1/2 cup/90 g brown sugar, packed cup. 1/4 cup/57 g unsalted butter, softened. 2 tablespoons cinnamon powder for the cream cheese frosting. 3 ounce/80 g/2/3 cup cream cheese. 3 tablespoons 43 g unsalted butter. 1 cup 125 g powdered sugar. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. A pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my Emily channel.